Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The Indus River, lifeline of civilization. Since time immemorial, rivers have been the cradles of civilization, and among them, the Indus River stands as one of the greatest, its waters carrying the weight of history, culture, and survival. Today we embark on a journey along the Indus, a river that has shaped empires, nourished ancient civilizations, and continues to sustain millions. Born in the icy embrace of the Tibetan plateau, the Indus begins its journey from Lake Manasarovar. It carves its way through the towering Himalayas, entering the Ladakh region of India before winding its path through Pakistan, finally emptying into the Arabian Sea. Stretching over 3,180 kilometers, it is one of the longest rivers in the world. Thousands of years ago, along its fertile banks, a great civilization arose, the Indus Valley Civilization. One of the world's earliest urban societies, it flourished around 2600 BCE, boasting advanced city planning, trade networks, and engineering marvels. The people of Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro built sophisticated drainage systems, used standardized weights, and crafted exquisite pottery. The Indus was their lifeline, providing sustenance, transportation, and a means for prosperity. Empires have risen and fallen along the Indus. It was here that Alexander the Great led his final campaign in 326 BCE, encountering fierce resistance from King Porus. The river became a crucial artery for trade during the Maurya, Gupta, and Mughal periods, linking South Asia to Central Asia and beyond. Even today, its banks remain home to bustling markets and historic towns. The Indus continues to be the backbone of agriculture in Pakistan, feeding vast farmlands that produce wheat, rice, and cotton. It powers hydroelectric dams, fueling industries and homes. Yet despite its significance, the river faces mounting challenges. Climate change, pollution, and water disputes threaten its future. The Indus, once a mighty force of nature, is now at risk. Glacial retreat, reduced water flow, and geopolitical tensions over water rights cast a shadow over its fate. Conservation efforts are underway, but urgent action is needed to protect this ancient river and the millions who depend on it.